If you've been using ChatGPT and getting boring, generic answers, you're not alone. The truth? Most people are using it wrong. But in this video, I'm going to show you one simple prompt that unlocks ChatGPT's full power and can literally save you hours of work. The biggest mistake people make, they type vague prompts like write me a blog post or give me ideas. That's like asking a chef to just make food. You need context, details, and a clear role. Let's try a basic prompt. Write me an Instagram caption for my product. Looks okay, right? But it's generic. You won't stand out, and you won't convert. Now watch what happens when I tweak the prompt. I tell ChatGPT exactly who it's pretending to be, what tone I want, who my audience is, and what action I want them to take. Act as a viral marketing expert. Write an Instagram caption in a fun, cheeky tone to promote a limited time offer for my digital product. Target Gen Z freelancers. Add 3 hashtags. Now this is next level. It's fun, it's targeted, and it speaks directly to the audience I want. All from just one upgraded prompt. Here's the formula. Always include these 4 things in your prompt. 1. Who should ChatGPT pretend to be? 1. What task you want? 1. What tone it should use? 1. Who the content is for bonus tip. If you like what it gives you, ask it to make 3 more versions, or ask it to make it shorter, more emotional, or even include emojis. ChatGPT can fine-tune like a pro, if you know how to talk to it. Want more AI hacks like this? Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with what you want ChatGPT to do for you, and follow for more tips to turn prompts into profit. Subscribe, like, share, prompt to profit.